After 73 years, celebrating Naga Plebiscite Day in unity will be symbolic. Rev Dr Wati Aier. May 16, 1951, marked a historic milestone for the Nagas, as an overwhelming 99.9% voted in favor of sovereignty, a day immortalized as Naga Plebiscite Day. Now, 73 years later, on May 16, 2024, Nagas from various political groups, churches, and apex civil society organizations are set to unite in celebration of the day in Dimapur. Rev Dr Wati Aier, convener of the Forum for Naga Reconciliation (FNR), emphasized the symbolic significance of this occasion from a historical perspective. Many young people today are unaware of the importance of May 16, 1951. It marks the day when the Nagas chose self-determination. It serves as a poignant reminder of our history, and we extend our gratitude to our past leaders, he remarked. What's even more remarkable, according to Rev Dr Aier, is the unprecedented unity displayed by various Naga political groups. After 73 years, the NNPGs, NSCNIM, and NSCNK group have agreed to commemorate Naga Plebiscite Day together, he informed Mokokung Times. These 6 political groups include GPRN, NSCN, FGN, NNC, Parent Body, NPGN, NNC, NA, NSCN, R, and NNC, GDRN, NA. Regarding the NNC, Rev Dr Aier clarified that NNC sees itself as an institution, not a political party, but FNR hopes and expects their participation. We will send out invitations to all of them, he added. This newfound unity and aspirations between the divided Naga family took place with the adoption of the Kutsupo Proclamation on February 18, 2024, in Kutsupo village of Phek district. According to Rev Dr Wati Aier, since the Kutsupo Proclamation, they have had meetings about 16 to 18 times, which were then followed by 3 meetings with various Naga political groups and the apex Naga societies, including the church. The progress was evident. They declared to cooperate with one another, Rev Dr Wati Aier said happily. However, he mentioned that the Naga national workers from Myanmar could not be present due to the struggle of crossing the border. Acknowledging the myriad challenges, Rev Dr Wati Aier noted that the FNR is cautious of the mission. Mukik Chun Times.